Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us look at this question. Find the value of x in log of x squared minus log of x power 15 plus 56 is equal to 0. So the first thing is to write this particular term. Use the third law of logarithms, where if you have the log of a number a raised to power n, that is the same as n times the log of that number. So it means what we have now is log of x squared minus 15 log of x plus 56 is equal to 0. So now all you need to do is represent log x. So you can say let log of x be another letter, say y. So if we write this equation, it will be y squared minus 15y plus 56 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation which you can solve using any of the methods that we are familiar with. So in this case, let us use the factorization method. And for us to be able to use factorization method, we're going to look for two numbers whose sum is the same as b. And b in this case is negative 15. And their product should be the same as AC, that is 1 times 56, which is just 56. So you'll find that those two numbers are negative 7 and negative 8. So you just split negative 15 into these two. That will be y squared minus 7y minus 8y plus 56 is equal to 0. So now the common factor between these two is y. So you have y into y minus 7, and you expect that to be this side too. So for you to have obtained positive 56, it means you multiply this by negative 8, and that's equal to 0. So now you have y minus 8, and then you pick one of these, that is y minus 7, and that's equal to 0. So now you have that if this is the one that is equal to 0, then y is equal to 8. Or if this is 0, then y is equal to 7. But remember, you're not solving for y, you are solving for log. You are solving for x. And we say that log of x is equal to y. So this means that log of x can be 8. And this is naturally as log to base 10 of x is equal to 8. So you can solve this by writing it in index form. So if you do that, you're going to have the base as 10, the power as 8, and the number as x. So it means x is equal to 10 raised to power 8, which can be written as 100 million. Or if log x was equal to 7, then it means that x will be the same as 10 raised to power 7, which you can write as 10 million. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.